what's up? Welcome back to another video. Now, most likely today I am gonna be smashing a phone. No joke. There's gonna be drop test hammers. We're gonna do drop tests on it. We're just gonna throw it on the ground. We're gonna smash it with a hammer. We're gonna hit it with a baseball bat. We're gonna throw baseballs at it. We're gonna step on it. Maybe not pour water on it. That's a terrible idea, but yeah, we're most likely gonna do one. Cause his phone is half broken. There's a bunch of dead pixels on it. And yeah, so Daddy bought this phone, and he said he's probably keeping it. It's it's 4 versions newer than this phone. This phone is a Moto G2. His phone is a Moto G6, $190. I wonder how much this costs. Oh no, hold on. Yes, there might be a drop test today. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye! You better watch out.